Hey campers, in today's 2-minute travel trailers, I want to go over the 18TB by Sunset Park. This has a king bed, 2 awnings, and it's only 3,000 pounds. Let's check out the camper and let me know what you think.
This camper comes with a king bed, full kitchen, dinette, big fridge, double awnings, and more. It's all only 2,920 pounds, has a full pass-through storage, 2-inch ball up front, power tongue jack, 2 propane tanks, a battery disconnect switch. We do have electric brakes on this, 4 stabilizer jacks at each corner. Pass-through storage also shows us our freshwater tank. Over here's our water connections with city water and freshwater fill. We have our walkable roof up top with a solar panel up there, 6-gallon water heater, outside shower with hot and cold water, 26 gallons of fresh and 28 of black and gray below, 4-inch diameter bumper in the back, full-size spare tire, beautiful double step entry to get in with this nice screen door. Back here we have our backup camera bracket, our 7-foot awning, then over on the side we have our 12-foot awning, outside speakers. Now when we go inside, we're going to see this nice size, residential size, double door fridge. This is a 12-volt fridge, ran off battery. Propane furnace, overhead storage, nice dinette. This huge king bed that turns into a huge dinette that fits up to 6 to 7 people. Overhead storage up top. Air conditioner above. Microwave, overhead cabinet, stereo, huge sink. 3-burner stove with the oven. Spot for our spices. Drawer for our silverware. 100-watt solar panel on the roof. We are wired for a TV. And then we have a dry bath with the skylight. And we actually have that fan over top of the toilet.
Thanks for sticking around and watching the video. If you want a thorough video, check out the Extreme Lifestyles channel for the longer one. These are a great 2-minute walk around to at least show you what's in here. Thanks for sticking around, everybody. See you next week.